Mae'r Hen Goleg yn brosiect pwysig iawn i'r Brifysgol. Mae'n brosiect cyffrous ac uchelgeisiol iawn, ond bydd yn creu pethau gwych ar gyfer y gymuned. Bydd na orielau, sinemau, amgueddfeydd ac ati. Felly, bydd pobl yn gallu dysgu am ddiwylliant hanes y gwyddoniaeth Aberystwyth.
Am gobaith i yw y bydd yr Hen Goleg ar ei newydd wedd yn gyfrwng i ni gofio hyn o, allu ddathlu hyn i gyd. Cofio'r ysgolheigion, y staff, y myfyrwyr a'i cyfraniad i gynhysgaeth lenyddol Cymru, ond hefyd i rhan yn ymgyrch yr iaith.
I've seen firsthand the benefits of operating within a space that's open 5 days a week, specifically for young people. A go-to place that they know they can get support. We need more of this. We need more of this all over the UK. Aberystwyth needs it.
Anything that really could help young entrepreneurs at this stage is really a necessity. We're not next to the big cities where you do have resource and you do have people there that you can sort of reach out to. So to have it in a rural area, I think, is massively important.
Felly yn y gorffennol, mi oedd darlithoedd yr adran Gymraeg yn cymryd y lle yn yr Hen Goleg. A felly mae y Gymraeg wedi bod wrth galon yr Hen Goleg ers blynyddoedd. A dwi'n meddwl yn sicr fydd hwnna'n rhywbeth arbennig eto amdan yr Hen Goleg, fod modd i ni ddathlu Cymreicto, diwylliant Cymreig, cynnal digwyddiadau gobeithio sydd eto yn dathlu'r diwylliant sgynna ni yma yng Nghymru. A dwi'n gobeithio eto fydd o'n rhan ganolog o fywyd yn Aberystwyth.
We're going to have areas where our students will be able to take part, for example, in a moot court. We're going to have areas where we'll be able to develop dialogue.
The Dialogue Centre is about innovating different ways of coming up with solutions together. So the oval room in Old College will be intentionally designed to break down power structures.
Mooting is the presentation of oral arguments, is a simulation of what I'll be doing for the rest of my professional career. So it's as real as it can get.
Dwi'n meddwl bod e'n arbennig o bwysig bod y gymuned leol yn Aberystwyth yn teimlo perchnogaeth o'r adeilad. Nid yn unig bod yr adeilad wrth gwrs yn rhan o'r Brifysgol ac yn rhan o gylchoedd ac o fydoedd ehangach, ond bod e hefyd yn rhan o'r dref. Mae hwnna'n holl bwysig wrth gwrs.
Our fundraising campaign to date has been the most successful we've ever done, and that has been through the generous support of many, many individuals, through other charities and other organisations, for which we are immensely grateful. We do have a lot to do, and we are now looking for that extra support so we can open the doors. Much like our founders over 150 years ago, we have a plan to develop a more prosperous and inclusive future for Aberystwyth University and the wider region. And through your generous donations, we can make that a reality.